Hi friends, this is NMK Vijay and welcome to my YouTube channel Forex Surfers for analyzing the major currency pairs as well as miners, US 30, gold, silver, crude, Bitcoin using Elliott wave theory. See, before we get into this week analysis, read my disclaimer carefully and understand what I had written in each and every line. So finally, I am not responsible for any losses if you took the trade according to my trade plans. Explaining here. Okay, let's move on to DXY. And 1 second, I will just check whether it is recording. Yeah. So in the DXY, so and I'm just posting this before, and this is the Friday only because I'm having some work on tomorrow, so I can't upload that tomorrow itself. So I'm doing today itself, and I'm just uploading in the Friday night itself. So the market is inactive. So I'm doing this is the second time I think so whether the market is in the moving mode. Okay, so I have already updated my view in that all the charts in the trading view as well as my Telegram as well as in the social media like Facebook and other platforms also. So here it's a little bit confusing only. So whether this all the things is a third wave, this third wave, or it's already ended that fifth wave. That is a question mark here. If you again and again I keep on watching that, it's a little bit like that one is the third wave and this is in the fourth wave, because why it is in there means exactly it got rejected at the 38.2 levels. That is the only thing I need to know, and this is then somewhat an irregular flat formation and this is the zigzag flat formation. So this is then valid for if it is in this kind of irregular flat formation and the fourth wave is in zigzag. Usually the second wave will be a zigzag and the flat formation in the fourth wave will occur, or if it is a triangle. So whether this is in that we are still in that fourth wave and one more fifth wave is ahead, or this is the end of that for that wave 1. And if it is in case if it is in the ABC is that way or 2 or W or A, everything I have written because you need to understand that. So whether, see, first of all, whether this is the end of the fifth wave, ABC is the W, or this is the in the simple wave itself the wave 2 is got completed. So otherwise if it is in complex correction, this is the W, so ABC is a zigzag formation, this is the W and this is the A. Right, there's a A, B, and we are in that. It's not the structure is not yet completed, so we can't whether it is an X wave. We need to again for the Y wave in the three-way structures to the downside like this. Whether see this is the major resistance zone as of now. So now if whether this is the fifth wave, it will go and shoot this high also. It can break this high also. 1 second, yeah, this high also. Otherwise, if the wave first is already got over here and we are in that second wave or W, and this is then bigger second wave is in at, and this could be in a complex correction. So whether this could be in double zigzag or it could be in a regular flat in that Y wave formation. After that only it can shoot from here. That is why I have explained here. So let's move on to Euro USD. That same thing I had explained. I expected from here if it is the wave second, but later onwards what I didn't updated the DXY. I just posted only that Euro USD as well as Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar, because this is the 1, this is the 2, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The whole thing is at the end of the third wave. This Roman letter third wave. 1 second, I will just 1, 2. The whole thing is a 3. And we are in that fourth wave, and we are in that one more wave to the downside is also possible to break, or within this, and again it may get rejected also. Otherwise, if this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the 1, again that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is ended here. So this leading diagonal is a 1, 2, 3 and 4 and this is an ending diagonal, means this whole thing becomes a wave 1 and wave 2 we are in that. So in that, what are the possibilities we are looking for? So either from this low, this ABC is A, ABC is a B, and if it didn't break this low so far today, so there is a lot of chances for making this kind of wave. So forget about this fourth. I'm just talking about if whether the end of this is the third wave. So as of now, this is the end of the third wave, fourth wave, and this is the end of this wave 1 here, and we are in that correction for the second wave. So once this is the ended only, we are looking for the downtrend. But if this is the fourth wave ended, still we are in the fifth wave, means one more wave, whether it may break or may not break. And again there will be a bigger three-way correction since occur, because whether this is a A or 1, this is a B or 2, and we are the one 5-way structure is completed, means we need whether this is a A, B, C in the formation, or this could be an 1, 2, and we are in the bigger 3, and the intermediate wave 1 is in act, and then other 2. That is why I have make it this as a bracketed 1, and this is the bracketed 2. This is the off bracket 1, this is the off bracketed 2. So we are in that third wave. So either in the case if it bounces, I will be looking for the three-way structures to complete, and then only I will add my positions here. Unnecessarily I won't do that. And if you look for that Australian dollar also, it's looking the same thing, because if it is the wave 1, this is the wave 2, the whole thing becomes wave 3, means this is the wave 4 could be, and one more wave to the downside is also possible. But here it's looking like a 1272 only for the wave 1, for the wave 3, right? So whether 1, 2, 3 is completed, or this is A, B and C is completed, whether if it is coming to the bounce to the next range of 7.6, I need to again sell this pair. Otherwise, if it is comes to this zone, what I had did from here and here, and I added here itself yesterday, and again then only I posted this one. See, I'm looking for the target 71 or 7050. Only if it breaks this, and if it's getting rejected in the three-way structure at 7425 here. So whether there is a chances for making this is the fourth wave, and one more wave to the fifth wave is also possible. And what I thought previous, it is in the X wave. So A, B, C is a W, and this could be an X. I'm looking for that 76, right? 7470 and then 76. So I'm looking previous. It could make a one more way to the downside, and again one more way to the upper side for this kind of wave formation what I did. So whether it is making like this kind of price action or this kind of price action, anyway I am in sell side only. And if it comes to here also, I want to blindly add my position here. We need to look for this, whether the three-way structure is got over, and then only I need to add my position, because I already added the position here. If it reach here, another partial will add it. So next we will move on to the New Zealand dollar. That same here also. What I expected here is whether this could be a A, because I took it this as a whole thing becomes a A. So whether if it reach it here, whether this could be A, B and C, or if this is a W, this X could be a running flat, this A, B and C, or this is a W, X, Y, like that. For the intermediate way, again one more A, B, C, but we are getting rejected here, but I don't know whether it is a very strong or not. As of now it's looking, and it is coming down, but it's not so aggressive so far. So we have to wait whether this is an end of the X, or it will make a one more hike for that 7.2, and I have already written the same thing here, 7150. So I entered already partial here in this zone itself. I entered, because see why I have make it this as a Y, means this is a three-way structure so far, and if it added here, that will become a diagonal way for A, the five-way structure. but here it's looking like A, B and C like that. It could be a W, and again one more A, B, C is a X. So again one more A, B and C is looking like one three-way structure is got completed in the complex correction. So whether this could be a Y and X, but in previous what I did here is this whole thing becomes a 1 or a 2, and here it's a sorry, this is a or a 1, this is a B or 2, and this whole thing becomes a, I took it this as a diagonal pattern of A. So whether this is the W, this is the X, this is the A, and whether we are going for the B or A, the B or X. So in any conditions I am looking for this zone. If it comes here, I will add my position, otherwise I won't sell. I already did that. If it comes to here also, we need to look for that wave structure, then only we need to add the position, not blindly. So let's move on to USD CAD. So here also the previous what I did, the previous idea is the three-way structure, exactly the previous support zone, and it took the support and again bounced. So whether it is going to make from here, just a second, I will remove this. What I booked the profit here at the 1.26 previous, and I missed this whole thing, right? And again what I did here, it's reached my buy zone, so I again added what I booked here, same position I added. So what I will do here is, my view is in USD CAD we may get this is a, if it is in the double, it's looking like a WXY corrections only, right? So whether it could be a little bit deeper correction, means it could make like this, if only if it comes in this zone, near to this zone 1.23, I will add it, and it need to break this channel. Until that I won't add anything, because I already accumulate what I booked the profit at 1.26 and again 1.2450 I added my position, and I have informed that also my buying zone is already arrived like that. I have already placed with the UCAD and UCHEF, it's already did, and UJ also. So now I am looking for this, whether this is an ABC and for the complex corrections, or it could make like a high and one more three-way structures for the X in the running flat, and then again it can shoot for this running flat formation also like this. So if it did, this is the W, this whole thing becomes X, A, B, C, and it never break this channel. So it will took support and then again keep on bouncing. Only the thing is, if it is a correction, complex correction for the X wave, so this is the W so far, whether this is the end of the X, or it could make a one more low for the regular flat, or it could make an irregular flat also. So I'm expecting irregular flat formation, because it's a dollar is little bit getting strong. At that time it may reach up to that 1.28, and again it may fall like a three-way structures, and it will took a support, this channel may took a support. Again I'm expecting, see these are all my bias, but I can again, if it the market again change to the bearish, and I will look for that, and then immediately I will update my position and my will view also. So as of now this is the way. And for USD JPY, see what I said exactly. See this here also I'm not so satisfied. See, it's satisfied only, but what I'm trying to say here, from here also it can make another three-way structure. There is a still chances. So far this wavelength 786 is done, exactly 786, and what I said, I have already placed the order at 108.80. if you remember, you just check that exactly it triggered my position, and I just booked that, and in this NFP at 110.10 I booked the profit what I purchased here. and I'm already having this position. I booked the profit here itself, and you know very well. And again I accumulated here when the three-way structure is got completed. Immediately I booked again I accumulate here. Still I added position here because I'm not so satisfied here in this 5 ways, because what I said, whether this is X, this ABC means from here it has to shoot, and after exactly it bounced. But even though what I said, whether this could be a ABC is a B, and this could be a C, that is why I have explained here. If it is a complex correction X, again one more three-way structure, it did the same thing, and this is the bearish trend line from the top. So everything we need to correlate, and there will be exhaustion, some exhaustion, right? That is why I have placed nearly 108.8. it because why I place here means this is the support zone. Exactly, that I didn't place here, but I placed before itself. So 108 it's a trigger, nearly 130 pips I booked the profit. Now why I am expecting this, just you explain, you imagine, right? Okay, I will explain that. So whether ABC is a W, ABC is a X, ABC is a Y. So if this is a bigger W, you forget about this, I will again mark, because if it is still bearish, if the gold is going to back for that nearly what I expected in this zone, so far it is coming to the downside, but it didn't break that 1735 zone. So now this is the W as of now. Previous what we did, this is the A, B and C. So for example, this is the W, X, Y is completed. But if this is the three-way structure and this is the connecting way for this length, so this whole thing becomes a W, and this thing, it's right from here. I will exit, I will delete this one. So if, because it's not a five-way structure, it is a three-way structure. So this is looking like an impulsive wave. So W, it's a B and C. Exactly, we are in that 100 same equal length here. Exactly at 27, we are getting rejected. So now there is a lot of chances for making another three-way structure. So that means it could reach again. For example, if we took this length and again for the rejection where it got rejected, 108.18 is the equal length. Exactly, I draw the same line. And what is this? This is a previous support zone. So the whole thing becomes W, X, and the Y wave is also split into WXY formation. And from here, because UJ, I already explained that in the correction mode, UJ will see, you need to understand the structure, what it did the previous, and I have explained in the previous video also. For this one impulsive wave, it's nearly did within 20 days, I think so, right? From the 25th March, this is it. Within the 15 days, the length, and it's nearly did nearly how many? Nearly 10 months of correction for this single impulsive wave. Like that, this is an impulsive wave. Why not it could do like this? We can't know anything. But what we have to do is, in every three-way structure, we need to be in buy side. But the complex correction, how long the complex correction will go, it's definitely, we can't predict that. The only thing is that W is ended here, X is ended here, we are in that running flat formation. So it could maximum reach for that expanded flat also 1618. So that is also the previous support zone. So if it is an expanded flat, we can expect first 1272 and then 1414 and then 1618. So that is also valid, but that is a 1272 is a very strong. And if it is a triple correction here, if it is a WX, and what I said, this the intermediate Y is got in the WXY formation. So this is the end of that Y wave. Again, it could make a three-way structure. again one more three-way structure can happen for the Z wave. So this is the thing you need to understand. All the Elliott wave people won't think and won't look for the other possibilities, and they are not in the deeper structure to understand the Elliott waves. So that is the problem for the lot of Elliott people. It's not understanding. That is the failure of that, and then they will blame that Elliott wave. It's not a, that is not a fine, right? Okay, let's move on to the next is a pair, Australian USD chef. Okay, so exactly what I expected within this A, B and C, and from here it can shoot, right? Now what it is doing, the same thing what we expected. So I will just hide this. See, from here I expected, right? From this is the one, and from here if it is a simple correction it can shoot from here itself. Otherwise it can do one for the regular flat correction, and then again from here it can shoot. So it did same thing from here. One second, I did previous from here, and here this is for here too. So this if it is an irregular flat formation, it can go above this high, and then it will be a running flat, and from here it can shoot. That is why I draw here. And last week what I said, there is a still chances for making one more low to this also, and then again it can bounce. But this is the positional stop loss for what I am looking for, the target of 1.000. So as of now it's going good. That's it. What we needed, its market is doing. So just you need to, what you have to do is you need to execute according to your analysis, and then you need to only watch. It will reach your target until you need to be patient. If you need any to add the positions in the three-way structures, if you are keep on counting 1 2 3 4 5, so in the intermediate way if you find it may get rejection, means in that rejection after the three-way structure you can again add. So far this is the same plan, there is nothing changed. So next we will move on to AUDJPY. It's all cross currencies. See, from here what I expected, this is the end of the third wave, or this is the end of the Y wave. Here A, B, 1 2 3 4 5, it's I already changed to this one. So W, X, and I already updated this also. So I'm looking only for this kind of wave formation. Allow the A wave to make after the three-way structures in the B, took only that trade, and here it is I'm not so satisfied with this because JPY is very weaker, that we know very well. But even though Australian is also against the dollar, it is weaker. So whether it will move aggressively or it could be a slow movement, that is up to the market, right? So in 1 hour also perfectly it did the five-way structure. I love this kind of five-way structures here. I'll just draw for that. If you are a newcomer, right? See, there is a 1 2 3 4 and 5 is completed. For this is the bigger one, this is the bigger 2, this would be the bigger 3, and this is a triangle. See this? This is a triangle, and one five-way structure is got completed. So this is the one, right? Or A. And what did it? Didn't break this low. Exactly, it did the complex correction here, and again it's now going to for that bounce. But till now we didn't know whether this correction is got completed. Again it can do one more, it can break the high, and again it could make a correction also, and again it can bounce. So that is an impulsive wave. So it can do like this also, but my target is above the 87. That is the one. But we need to see here. I am not going to buy here. That is why I have said here, if you need to buy here, if the aggressive trader, one second, yeah, if it is an aggressive trader, you can do it, make it this as a stop loss, and you can go for the target of 87. But I am no need to take risk here. That is why I have written I will allow for the wave A and B to complete, and then will enter later, not here. That is, if it is an Y, this is a X, I am looking for the Z wave. So that is in three-way structure, or it could be a diagonal structure also. So I will allow the A, B, C. So sorry, I allow the A, B, and then only I will enter only the C wave for that target if it is buying, because we are getting yeah, the C wave will be a most a little bit fast than this A. So I'm looking for that C wave. So let's move on to that CAD JPY. That is also all the JPY pairs, it's all bullish. See here what I expected. This is the A. So this is the B, but it's not looking like a B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So far, whether this is the end of the trend, A, B, C is completed here, or this could be again one more way to the downside is also possible for the regular flat, or what it will do, one more high, it can go above this high, making as a running flat. See why I am looking for a running flat and expert flat. It's a lot of market is doing like that only nowadays. So we can expect, but expecting this, we don't want to trade against the trend. What is the trend now, as of now? So only looking for that buy, not to sell. That is a counter trend. We can't make more money in the counter trend, only in the trend side. See, as of now, this fourth wave got completed. So I'm looking for that Z wave here at the fifth wave for here for the 5-way structures. So that is the secret of here, then nothing else. There is no crystal ball and holy grail. We need to understand, we need to educate ourselves. Lot of time in front of the system, we can get a clear picture and structure. That is the thing you need to do for that make a consistent profit in this financial market. So let's move on to the New Zealand CAD. So how beautiful, and I didn't miss this trade, right? Because this is what I said is the A, B, C is A is got completed or W, and I expected from here it could bounce from here itself for if it is a X wave. So what it did, it's a deeper X wave, or A or B, W or X. Now what I'm expecting, the one A or 1 is completed. Now B or 2 has to complete. After the structure, we need to be in buy side with the stop loss of this as a stop loss. So whether until if it is comes to the deeper correction, nearly that 50. See, only if you took the trade here, it's only 80 pips, nearly 200 pips is there. 80 pips is the risk and 200 pips is the target. So nearly 2.5 risk reward. 1 is to 2.5, right? So this kind of trade we need to keep on watching the only one pair, because I am also doing mistakes, right? Because I'm already having a lot of open positions in dollar, okay, dollar pairs. So then only I recognize from the last year itself, I'm keep on opening the positions. So once the positions get, and this year up to that April or financial year of January, once the positions get cleared, I will be doing only one or two cross currencies and 1 or 2 major currencies, and as well as gold or silver or crude. Only this string I have already pre-planned everything. So only if you concentrate in the one trade, see, you no need to do all diversify, because we know that risk and reward, right? So this is the way you need to make a money. See, from here it is in the 8.6, right? 8.6, and this is also 8.6, 8.67, nearly 70 pips is the top. At least if you entered here also, nearly 150 pips as a stop loss, 140, and this is a 200 pips target, right? And still it is there. And making this as a your entry, no? If it is a from here you entered, and you can make this as a stop loss, because we know whether this is A or B or W or X, and it won't go below this. This is the invalidation position now. So if it comes here again, you can add, and you can look for the target of 0.9 here. After that, what is the bigger picture? You need to look for that also. The bigger picture is what I said from here itself. The bigger picture is my target is 8015 to break. See, my sell order is pending for the sell trade idea to the TP 8015. Still I am looking for this zone. but not blindly whether it is going to make 1 2 3 4 5. So that we can't decide whether this is A, B and C. If it comes to know, we need to add, but only in that 5-way structures to complete. Then we can decide whether this is a A, this is a B, and C means we will get one more 5-way structure. So this is 1 2 3, and after that 4 we come to a conclusion. Then we can add another lot here, making this as a positional stop loss, and enter for the trade nearly for the bigger 8015 is my target. So let's move on to next is Euro New Zealand. See what it is doing here, still in the consolidation, and yesterday I got one more idea and then immediately I shared my view. So this become a W or A, we are in the X or B. So what I thought, from here itself it could make a B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I is a 9-way triangle. From here it has to shoot, but again it came down. So that means still we are in the correction, and I said one more way to the downside to break this if it is a bigger triangle in the B wave. So now that is also got invalid, because as of now here it did right and it didn't break this low yet as of now, right? So this is A, B, C, D and E. The E wave is also here in the B wave. ABC is A, so B is a triangle and C is a impulsive way to the downside for the flat correction. So that means E is ended here, means it no need to break this low. I added today. See, and what is the target for, what is the stop loss? Only this one. I entered at 675 here. I think yesterday itself I entered. Yeah, yesterday itself I entered here in this zone, and immediately after the entry I have already shared my view. So what is that stop loss for what I have here? Because I already having the positions here and I booked the profit, and again I added and booked the profit, and again I added and still having the positions, and again I added, because this is a confirmed trade. If it is a triangle in that bullish X or B, it must shoot. But if it is get invalid also, what I added nearly, it's nearly 30 pips, right? From here means it's a nearly 20 pips from here to here. Yeah, from 740, yeah, nearly 50 pips is a stop loss for the target. If it is hold means what is the target? Nearly I am looking for 74. So like this only we need to execute our position with the risk, with a huge reward. So let's see whether it's still not yet broken. So this is the idea for Euro New Zealand. So let's move on to what is the next is, okay, it's still recording. So we can move it for that US 30. Here, see one impulsive, and we are in that 4th way is completed, right? I expected, or this is a 1 or 2. So now we are in the 3rd way. It's still, it is making somewhat, it's looking like this kind of correction part here. So and everything it is in 3-way structure. So I am expecting, see from here I expected, right? It did the same thing. So whether this is whether if it is an impulsive wave, this B wave could be a triangle, right? Only the B wave could be a triangle, not second wave. So somewhat it is doing wait for allow, and there is no idea for me so far. Only this much I can give your analysis. Whether if it is reached here, we can buy, but what kind of impulsive wave it is doing, it's a little bit tough to predict here. So let's wait for this to complete. I'm not so sure, but if it is in the 5th way formation means it could reach up to 40,000. That is my target. 39, 40, 38, 40, like that it can reach. If because this 4th way is ended here as of now, so this is the invalidation for me now as of now here. Wait for that. It could be either A, B, C, D, E, and then A in the intermediate way. B can be a triangle also, and one more C way to the downside, and then again you can shoot for that. third, or that wave 1 and the wave 2 and wave 3, like that, because this is, it could be an intermediate wave B, it could be a triangle also. So next is sorry, one second, I will pause my yeah, I just add my glass of water because it's okay. So US30 is gone, and just we will look for that. Next is Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is here, and same thing it happened here also. I missed the trade because I did the 31,000, 35,000 twice, and I didn't enter here. And what it did, it exactly did the 5-way structure here to complete that one impulsive wave. So whether this is the end of this A, this is the B, and this is the C, means this is the W, this is the X, and this is the Y, means this is the W, bigger W is bracketed, and this is the X, means from here need to drop. Otherwise, if it is going the complex correction, means it can be a one more way to the downside. One second, I will erase this. Last week I explained that. So one more down to reach this support zone, and again it may bounce. So what is the target? As I said, from the previous itself, I said if whether it is going to be a triangle or what, I have explained that also, right? So just go for the previous video, you can understand that. See, this is the next resistance zone for me. So from here it could be again this is the W so far, and whether or this and I have explained that also, it's already broken. So if it is a 1, 2, 3 and this is the 4, means this is the end of the 5th wave. Here itself I explained that. One second, yeah. From here itself is a weather tree, and this could be the 4th wave. Here I think so, yeah. This could be a 4th wave. So this is the A, B, and C is could be a end of the 5th wave also. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This could be an ending diagonal formation also. So it, whether it is going to do like this kind of formation, it can, if you need to be in buy side, or it could be see this here there is no buy. I am looking only for that, but here it's the buy zone. I already missed that. So I'm looking only for this kind. If you want to trade here, you can go for that, this as a stop loss, because lot of times if you are not confident unnecessarily, if this is an A, this is the B, and this is the C, means or W or X or Y, means, and it could be in downside, right? Why we need to unnecessarily looking for this? So allow this, and if it breaks, definitely you need to go for that buy in the breakout, or it could be again making a pullback like this. Explaining is very easy and entering the trade is very tough. So once if you break this high, you need to make only the low as a stop loss. The swing low is the stop loss, and again you need to go for the target of this one. So that means this could be a AB is equal to CD pattern of 786, or 7 is the safest exit for us, because this is a downtrend. This is a deeper downtrend I am expecting. So sell will be a very more aggressive than buy. So let's move on to that US oil. So US oil is very confusing, and that is why I am not giving any updation for this. That is what I didn't update anything, because there is a lot of options we are getting. So this is the end of the 4th, and from here also I explained 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if this is then ending diagonal from here, ending 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we are getting the exactly what I get. But here this channel, this is the downward trend line. It's taking support, means, so else this is the wave 1, this is the wave 2, this is the wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. So 1, 2, 3, so 4 is there, and this is also valid for that. Again that C wave could be in this kind of expanding wedge. So in the reverse only it will be a joint like here, that is called as an inverted wedge formation, what I called, right? Like this kind of, which will be there. So this I called it as an expanding wedge like this, and there is a one more high is also possible, but I didn't share this view because I just explained to one of my students. So I'm not so sure about this. That is why I'm not giving any update. It looks like a impulsive, right? Here it's a B, C. It's completed. After this, I'm expecting if it is a A, this is not looking like a B also. It's see, this is not looking like a B also. If it is a double, if it is a zigzag also, we have to just give a compromise ourselves whether this is the B, means we are looking for to break this high, and that is also what I expected. If one second, yeah, if this is a A, if this is the B, and C has to whether if this is a kind of thing I am expecting in the 5-way structure, it could do like this also, and 1 2, so 3 4 and 5, so that is also valid. So a lot of possibilities, and we no need to risk our money here in the zones, unless if we missed also in the profit, nothing, no worry about this. If this is not the trade, means we can go for another trade. In only the oil, no need to trade like that. I won't trade like that. Unnecessarily, we don't need to risk your money in that indefinite. I am not confident in this. If you take the trade, it is not a confident trade. So let's move on to the gold. So gold, I clearly mentioned this is the thing. What just we need to simply watch the, no need to trade all the time. If you are not understanding, just listen to the market, what it tells. We need to observe that, listen that, and then you have to take the trade. See, currently we are in the B of B. It's already B is a very tough, and we are in the B of B. Why? See, this A is got completed. Whether it is an A, B, C or W, whatever you can make it, that X or B is the same. So we are in that trend, and what we are in that bigger, this is also the B. We are in the B. So that is why allow that B wave to complete, and if it didn't able to catch that C wave also, definitely we will catch that start of third or C. So we are not able to catch this C also. This bigger C or third wave we can catch. Either it is making, see, if it is breaks this low, that will become an irregular flat, and somewhat, and I got one more view also. Just 1 second, we will finish that and I will explain you. So whether as per this analysis A, so whether we are getting the rejections here, and if it bounces from here, that could be a C. Else if it breaks this low and again if it bounces, means that will be an irregular flat formation. So either at least we have a chance first to enter here, not here, but anyway we have catch for the C wave. But what will be that C wave? The target is the nearest support zone only. So whether we need to watch here, not to trade. As of now, for my strategy and for my personality, I won't trade here. And what is the another, what I said, right? This could be a this kind of triangle also. Once again, I will do it in that red color. This kind of triangle. So if this is a W, what I said, right? Previous A, B, C, D and E, the top is not declining, only the bottom is declining. That is a kind of one of the triangle variety. But so this could be a, then this could be a B, definitely not second wave. After that we need a complete 5-way structure. So at least we may at least we may get, if this is the B wave, 786 at nearly 1700 zone. But in that also we need to wait for that. If it bounced, so this is the we need to watch the wave formation and making this as a stop loss. You need to enter here, because I am not so satisfied with this is the end of that X wave. This double bracketed W and this is the double bracketed X. and if it's the double bracketed A, this is the B, and we are in that C I am looking. But here if it is comes this zone, this whole thing becomes A, B and C. If it didn't bound and if it is again bounced, means there is a lot of chances for making one more high also. That I explain in my this side here. So whether this could be a W also, the intermediate wave W, A, B, C, it could be a deeper because this is a flat correction, and again from here it can shoot to break this high and again it may fell down. So what will be the structure like this? Whether it can break this, it can go like this, right? So I am expecting this is a A, B and C. After this is a W, this is a X, another A, B, C to complete this structure in a three-way structure. But what we are in this is intermediate wave, means whether if it comes like here, this zone, if it breaks, means this intermediate B wave is a running flat, and again it could make a one more low. But here what is the idea here? It's whether this is a A, this is the B, C can go below this also. If you place the order here of the stop loss, it will hit your stop loss. So what is the kind of the thing here is A, so this is the B and C, and here also A, this is the B and C, and after that one more A, B and C. So this whole thing becomes a B wave. Here it's an expanding leading diagonal A, B and C. I think you may confuse, right? And you can blame me also, but I explained it very detailedly. You just need to watch, repeat and repeat, then only you can catch what I'm trying to explain in this B of B. It's very tough to trade. That is why I have explained. I won't trade here. I will just keep on listening then, and I will take a one trade also. It is in positional trade we need to take. That is my view. And this silver, see what I explained yesterday itself, I have little bit, I got an idea. So what I expected from here, it could make a one bounce. So here also there is a lot of possibilities, but only that main thing what I am looking here is this is a W. If this is a X, that is why I have marked the question mark. This is looking like a five-way structure, so this could be a, and if this is also looking like a, B and C, means it can go above that. So this whole thing becomes A, B, C, and these are all, see, these are all what it is in the book. So it won't, market won't come like what we expected, but we can expect what kind of possibilities it can do. So I expected like this. One expectation is W, X, A, B and C to break this low. So one possibility is got over. And what are the another possibility? If this is the W, this is the A, this is the B, this is the C, this is the D, and if it bounces in this zone, that could be a triangle. That is what I have explained here, A, B and C. So whether this could be a W, X, A, B, C as a Y wave, and to complete, this is the A and this is the B, and we are looking for that C wave to the above side, but it won't do immediately. See, if it is a silver get into the correction, you can't see lot of corrections. We can't trade here. Nearly how many? 1 second. Yeah. See, from here to here, how many years? 16 to 18. You can't trade here. Like that, after that, see, it's a liquidation and immediately bounced. And here also, I got on one more positional view. I will explain that also. So we are in the B wave. As of now, I changed my view. So this is the A wave. and this is the what we are in the B wave. So what kind of wave corrections it can't we can't explain here. We can't if I am able to explain, but maximum it is very tough to understand that. So whether this is a three-way structure means whether this is making a bigger triangle in the B way and then one more wave to the downside is also possible. And my target is $19, and this is the major support zone here, 19,786 to $18. This is the major support zone. I'm looking for this to, at that time gold can come up to that 1375 to 1450 range. So after that I'm looking for to shoot this $30. To the next target is the bigger one, but it will take more time. So don't be very curious to trade that silver. See, silver, I again changed my original previous count. This is a B, C is a B, C is a B, 1, 2, the whole thing becomes third. So the fourth is a triangle, and fifth base got completed and break this low also, previous low. So the one A, B, C is got completed as of now. It's a W, this is a X. So in this weekly, this is the one spike and this is the second wave. So this is the third and it's already broken this. So what is the next target? It need to break above this 49.75 or 49.83. So that is my target, but it will do more correction, then only it can shoot. So this is my weekly view, and my position. See, if this comes to the downside also, we need to be in buy side. Definitely it will be more returns than the gold. So this is my view in silver. I think I covered this also. So what is the next? I think I covered everything. So hope you enjoyed my analysis and something you can learn. So we will see you in the next week. And I already said, I informed that previous I'm going to the hometown. I'm not able to make a video, but because of this delta, it's a wave third in the delta mutant, so there is a lot of spread in my hometown, so I'm likely avoid that travel. So I didn't went to my hometown, so I did the today video. So I think this is a Friday only, so market is moving. So hope you enjoyed this week. Get a profit also, and everything. It is in the consolidation zone, and I said it's not in a conclusion zone for me also, for you also, I think so. So hope you enjoyed. So thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next week analysis. So have a nice day.